In this video, you'll learn how to search hotels with deals on Agoda. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a longer vacation, finding a good discount can make a big difference to your budget. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily spot and compare the best offers available. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Agoda website or launch the Agoda app if you're using a mobile device. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your destination. Type in the city, area, or landmark where you want to stay. Then choose your check-in and check-out dates and select how many guests and rooms you need. Once you've filled in those details, click the search button. Agoda will load a list of hotels that match your basic criteria. This is your main search results page, and it's where you'll start looking for deals and discounts. On this page, pay attention to the prices and labels shown for each property. Agoda often highlights special offers directly in the listing. Look for phrases that indicate a deal, such as price dropped, limited time deal, or member discount. Sometimes you'll see a percentage, like a price has dropped by a certain amount compared to the usual rate. This is a clear sign that the hotel is currently discounted. You might also notice that some listings show both an original price and a lower highlighted price. The original price is usually crossed out and the new discounted price appears next to it. This visual difference helps you quickly see how much you're saving. As you scroll, keep your eye out for these markers so you don't miss any good offers. If you want to focus more on deals, use the filters and sorting options available on the results page. You can sort by price to see the cheapest options first, or look for filters related to promotions or special offers if they're available. This can help bring discounted hotels closer to the top of your list, making them faster to compare. When you find a hotel that shows a discount or a price drop, click on it to open the full hotel page. Here, you'll be able to view all the details about the property, including room types, photos, amenities, and most importantly, the specific prices for your dates. On this page, you'll often see the discount details more clearly, such as how much you're saving per night and whether the deal is for a particular room type or rate. Take a moment to compare the different room options for that hotel. Sometimes one room category might be heavily discounted while others are not, so it's worth checking each option. Also, look at the booking conditions, like whether the rate is refundable and if breakfast is included, to make sure the deal matches your needs. Repeat this process with a few hotels that catch your eye. By opening several discounted properties in separate tabs or screens, you can compare the final prices, locations, and reviews side by side. This helps you decide which discounted hotel offers the best overall value for your trip. That's all there is to it. By searching for hotels on Agoda, watching for deal indicators like price drops and discounts, and then opening those listings to review the full details, you can quickly find and evaluate hotels with great deals for your next stay.